What's up? Today we're gonna be taking everything out of my closet and bringing it to the garage. Yeah. All right, car is all stocked up as much as I can fit. So now I'm probably gonna get something to eat and then wait for Julian to get here to get my other set of wheels. Goddamn. I hate having like car products because there's like no good way to store them. Julian and I are going to the garage now. It's time to zoom in. This is coming too. We got a bug in the car.
Oh god.
Alright, made it to the garage. Now we're unloading. Chop chop. We're gonna be using these brakes to fix this little driveway issue we have. We can't pull the CRX in or the Miata. I mean we can, but it's kind of scary. So yeah, we'll be doing that today. Okay, got everything unloaded. Not organized. Now we're gonna try to fix this guy up. I'll try to show you guys the angle. Yeah.
I done fucked my oil pan on this shit, man.
Yeah. Fucking what's the thing called where you donate? GoFundMe.
GoFundMe.
GoFundMe's in the link in bio for this man's oil pan.
And then we can even take some dirt from over there too.
There's another angle. Oh, alright.
Yeah!
Okay, I think we're just about finished. We just gotta test her out now. Bring the low cars over here, see if our work paid off. What's up, you guys? Today, after what you just saw, today we're gonna be testing out the ramps and then trying to fix my exhaust leak. Hey! Come on, Joe. Oh! We're straight, we're straight. The exhaust is hanging a little low.
What's all that ticking, man? What's all that ticking? Oh! I think that's it, man.
Yeah, that looked pretty good. Hey, man, watch the lip. Watch the lip.
Dude, it's got the foam on it. We're fine. Okay.
Okay.
Well. Oh, fuck, man. Excuse me, Toby.
Toby, you remember his name?
Damn, bro, this is stock red hot.
For real. So, what I think is my main exhaust leak are these two gaskets. So we're gonna take the cat out and then seal it up. I got some fucking shit. Where is that? It's not the head rib in here. It's not the vinyl patch kit. It's the gasket. The gasket dressing. It's like salad dressing, but for gaskets. Yes, we're gonna see what that do. Let's get the cat off. Okay, let's lower her down.
Okay.
Okay, it is not a fucking...
It's not a tutorial.
It is not a...
Don't do anything we do.
Oh, yeah, true, that too, but...
What you saying?
We need a 16, I think.
A 16?
I do be thinking we need 15.
I got you.
What do you call these things? Fucking... A wrench. Don't have a 16 wrench.
Fuck. Look, does that even fit on there, man?
No, man, what the fuck? Man, she went to 17 to do.
18. Fuck. Give me the 17 again. That's money right there.
Okay.
Kinda. Or like a 16.75. Ooh, that's gonna be a problem right there. You don't have a 17 wrench? Do you have a 11/16 wrench?
No.
Okay. Do you have a 17 that's not deep? Oh.
Oh, wait. 17.
Hey. One's a 12 point, one's a 5 point. So let's use the 12 point on the Don't fit in there, man.
Hold on. Take this up.
Hey! Try the breaker bar if you have.
Okay, well, yeah, I guess let's go buy your fucking shit. I mean, or just go get...
Back to my crib!
Start cutting.
Static live.
Okay, going out of zone because Julian doesn't have a 17 wrench, and then obviously neither do I, and I don't want to fight with the crescent wrench. Okay, we just got back from AutoZone, right? I'm opening up the garage.
I just heard some noises. I don't know what I'm in for.
All right.
Okay. Okay. No, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah.
God damn. This lip, bro.
Nothing but fucking pain and torture. But I'm gonna undo those screws on the other side.
Oh, you're taking it off.
Yeah.
What are, oh.
Well, see if we can do this one, create a little opening there, cuts that bitch in half, raise some shit there while we do this one and come back to it.
Should have moved the tools, but you know. Wow. Alright, now do these ones.
Okay, okay.
No tools.
No tools. Rock climbing hands. I can't, man. I can't. What is going on? What is going on?
Hey.
Let's cut this fool.
We stripped that guy right there. Kinda sorta. I mean, we could probably get it, but we just don't want to fight with it. So we're gonna cut it.
Oh god. On jack stands.
This is pretty much just like headers. Where do my keys go?
¿Dónde está?
¿Dónde?
We got pretty much straight out the headers, no cat. Let's see what she's got for us. Guys, please run cats on your car.
Ooh, no.
Please. We're trying to plug in the saw, but the only power outlet we got's up there. He's gonna jump. Let's see this shit.
That was so close.
Alright. Alright, lawn chairs.
Yep. We're gonna cut the bolt. This guy cut the nut.
You could cut the nut.
We gonna cut the nut.
Cutting nuts.
What's the nuts?
We cutting them.
Oh god. Come on now.
Okay, we're back. Let's try this again.
Cut nut!
Cut nut! I'd be getting metal all over me. That's just shooting straight at me. I got it in my lip, man.
Can't see shit in this thing, man.
Oh, okay, cool. No, that's not doing shit, man.
That's not doing anything, bro. Yeah, it don't look like it's doing jack.
Try to hold this. I'm gonna try to saw. Let's see if we can back the nut out anymore.
Kind of really cut the nut.
Oh, fuck yeah, I forgot about that.
I mean, maybe it might be over there.
Where's the deep one? There she is. Oh god, I'm stuck. Oh god, claustrophobia. Oh god. Just needed some vibration.
Hello?
We got the cat off.
Wow.
So, figure we could sand this up a little bit, put some gasket maker on it. Yeah, look at that shit, man. Yeah, we might have to go buy some exhaust gaskets, but we got it off.
Gonna go to AutoZone, maybe?
AutoZone and Home Depot,
Yeah.
maybe. AutoZone doesn't sell single bolts and nuts; they only sell groups of them. So we gotta get both.
Get this guy because we chopped him up.
Hey, you were close, man. We were almost there.
I was on it, yeah. Let's see how far I got down there. Okay. And then, yeah, we thought this was stripped, but it wasn't as bad as we thought it was. It just took a little vibration. Oh, there's my cut with the jigsaw.
Oh, so after like 30 minutes, we would have made it somewhere.
Yeah.
All right, well, load up the CRX. Let's get going.
Let's go. We got the nuts and bolts. We're just going to redo all of them. Okay.
Thank you for that.
Didn't say thank you to me. Got the gaskets, got Doritos, yeah. Okay, yeah, see you at the garage.
Back at the garage. Got a plastic weld for my lip, Doritos. We bought a swivel socket because we had AutoZone points, and why not? Nuts and bolts for Tony's exhaust. This dude over here. Gonna sand this down a little bit so we can put a new gasket on it. While he's doing that, I need to scrape all of this bullshit off. Try to put my lip back on. We'll see what happens.
Okay. Anytime.
New nuts, new bolts, new...
Hey, watch your mouth.
Sorry, I didn't mean...
Watch the gasket, bro.
I'm watching it, man. Man, why is there so much room?
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Ah, fuck. Yeah, well... Come on, but... Where the fuck even is the hole, man? Why?
There's a bolt. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Okay, well, maybe we need to turn the camera on again. Like,
So maybe if we just do a little flippy whippy. Yes.
oh, no, but then we have to rotate it again. Rotate it.
Oh, fucking A.
Not the gasket. Okay.
No, because then look at that.
That makes sense.
This.
Oh, because it was, yeah, that's tight.
As fuck, but okay.
Now I'm stuck, dude. I'm stuck. Yeah. How's the nut stuck? Oh, I'm pulling the gasket apart. It doesn't make any sense.
What the fuck is going on? Yeah. Oh, that looks promising. That's how we had it originally.
Maybe the gaskets are messing us up.
This is just not even lining up. Like, it's not the gasket's fault. It's the goddamn R's fault. Maybe it is the gasket. Ah! Got it. Yep. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. This is awesome. Oh my god, this is the best purchase we've ever made.
Okay, we started it and there's no difference. It's leaking from the same place, which I don't get. There wasn't a gasket in there when we took it off, and then we put a gasket in like a bunch of exhaust goop, and didn't do anything. My boy,
Some JB weld right here.
some JB weld right there. I don't know, but let's go mess with Julian's lip now, I guess.
I got the plastic weld up in there, so just letting that sit. I'll clean that up, don't worry. But once this is a little more dried, then I'm gonna go and do that side. I have learned the hard way. If you do that side when the side's not dried, this side will just come undone. So we're just letting it sit. She's gonna be back and better than ever.
You're not supposed to see this, but this is
That is this lip was not meant for this car.
And we bought the lip, and it was for a EF. But like on the listing, it had a CRX in the picture.
It works. It just it sucks. Every aspect of it sucks, other than just
Yeah.
how good it looks.
Yeah. And we already like trimmed it up a bunch. I don't know. Do you want to eventually make the fog light?
Once it's in there permanently, and the lip doesn't fall off pulling into the driveway, then yeah. But
So it's
I don't know if that's ever gonna happen.
yeah. I mean, it's a fun little project. We'll see if it stays on for 3 weeks, and then we'll do it.
Yeah, yeah.
So I didn't give up. I took the cat off again, and
God, that's a lot of blue stuff. That's a lot. I can see that through the camera, man. Oh crap.
so yeah, we're gonna let this cure for a little bit, and then maybe when Julian's done, I'll start her up, and hopefully this seals my exhaust leak. Driving it with an exhaust leak is I don't know, it's so bad, and it's like right under me too, and like anytime I go in a drive-through, it's just like resonating right by my door. Having this with the leaky exhaust is not cool. Okay, moment of truth. If the gasket makeshift job worked.
I don't think so.
Okay, it wasn't that successful for me today.
We'll see when I get home if I was successful or not.
Yeah. The lip is on. Seems pretty sturdy. We just need to be a little more careful coming in and out.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess we'll see if it can handle the
Handle the driveway
the
or not.
driveway too. So I guess we didn't do the best job out here, but it definitely is better than it was. But we are gonna have to mess with this again. Thanks for watching. I'm Tony. That's Julian. You know us. It's probably like 2 people that watch this video. We'll see you guys another time.
Bye.